Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cook jollof rice the Senegalese way. My name is Blessing and I urge you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me to be able to continue to providing you good videos on how to cook so that you will learn and follow my recipes. Any question you want to ask, you can send me a message. I will gladly answer you. Thank you. Let's go as we dive into the video. Right now, we are going to start with the meat. Parboiling the meat, seasoning it, keeping it on fire, then cook it for some 10 minutes. After that, our already washed rice, we are going to put it in a kind of a sieve, a plate that under it has through, you have some openings under, so we'll put it there. I don't really know what they call it very well, but you can understand what I mean. So you put it there, you cover it, keep it on top of the rice, cover it with a foil. So the heat that come from the inside of the meat, it will touch the rice and make it to be separate, so it will not be in a block. That is what we are doing here now. After we cover it with a foil, we'll leave it to cook for some time, some 10 minutes for the meat to be done. After, we'll come back and continue with our sauce. Today we are going to make a very beautiful jollof rice. Say hi. This is our meat. Still parboiling. It is remaining small, so we are going to turn it, cover it again, and leave it for some 2 minutes or 3 minutes before we bring it down. Okay, it's time we turn it down. We put it in a plate and guard it there before we start to make our sauce. Fried the tomato, no tomato, fry the onions inside the oil and put some other things. After we put our water, then we can put our rice and continue to cook it, cover it and cook it. Okay, we are adding our oil now. In case if you don't know, this is sesame oil. We are not using groundnut oil, we are using sesame oil. Leave it for some minutes. After, put our onions, fry it together, and continue to put seasoning, salt, pepper, and the rest. Okay guys, this is our onions still frying in the oil. After that, we cover it. We are going to put our chicken stock and put some water. After we put back some chicken, put some salt, Maggi, seasoning, Anyone you choose, it depends on your choice. You can season with anything you like, any spice you like. This one is the one I choose. So after you put your seasoning, then you put some water, put the meat, cover it for some time to boil. That is the pepper. Okay, now we're going to add our rice, our already heated rice. We'll add it to the sauce, turn it, cover it with a foil, and cover the pot and put the cover. Leave it to cook for some time before we come check on it. It is as simple as that. Very simple, very easy, and very delicious. You will love it, guys. I urge you to try this recipe. You will love it. Come closer, guys. Come closer, come closer, come closer, come closer. Let's open it. I think it's done.